Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.